everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a super useful network speed monitor right into your Windows screen. It's a great way to keep an eye on your network speed without any hassle. So let's get into the video. So you should know this step in the description. Click on that link and download the zip file, then extract it. Then just run this software, just double click it. Once you open it, you should see your network speed in your taskbar. So right now I am actually a bit modified it, so you can see when these options pop up, when you just right click and click options, there are plenty of options right there. So first of all, you need to do something. Just tick this box, auto run when Windows starts. So ladies and gentlemen, what it does, even if you are restart your computer, it will show up here. And there are plenty of options here, just check it out. So thanks for watching, and remember to check that bell icon so you never miss a video, and click subscribe if you didn't yet subscribe. Thank you.